Welcome back, bros. As you can tell, we've changed our channel name now to Bros Garage because we're gonna have some cool projects coming, get some more people involved. I've actually owned that name and that domain name for like 8 years now, so I have a Facebook page for it too. So I thought this was a perfect time to revive that, just because the old name kind of childish a little bit. So we got the name change going on. Today we're gonna be covering two things. One, we got a package. Going to unbox that, see what's inside, and we're also going to talk about the Ghost Cam and how controversial that is between some of the newer generation Mustang guys and some older ones. So stay tuned for my opinion on that. We're actually going to put the Ghost Cam tune on my car for the clickbait soundbite, because I know people search this stuff like crazy to see what it sounds like. So first, before we do that, let's get this unboxed and see what we got. Boom. Here we have it. This is the JLT Catch Can for the car, the passenger side catch can. So we're gonna go do a how-to on how to install this very difficult part, and talk about why we got it for the car. Alright, forgive how dirty the engine bay is. So to install this is on the passenger side, so we got to pull off this clip here and this clip. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so we got that clip off, so that's good. Now we got the hard part, which is putting the catch can on. Well, that's it. Catch can on. Dirty engine bay is dirty. We got to clean that up. There's pollen everywhere. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to flash the Ghost Cam tune. Flash this, we got to get the in-gauge on. And put the car in accessory mode. Make sure it can connect. Then we got to go to tuning. Load tune. We have our non-flex tune. We have the E85 cam tune. So we're going to flash that tune on. Okay, yes. And now we let it make its noises and we let it flash the car. I picked a terrible time to do this. It is so hot and humid that I'm dying right now, and I've already locked up the house, so I'm not going back inside for a couple minutes. But it's not a good look right now, boys. It's not a good look. Alright, it's done, so we turn the ignition off for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You don't really do it for that long. And this will be the startup on the Ghost Cam tune. And this is how it starts up. Put the camera out here. Alright, so that's the startup. It's kind of a cold start. It hasn't driven in a while, but it's not cold outside. So it'll probably take a couple minutes to cam down. I feel so fake riding around with this Ghost Cam. It's so terrible. I hope no real car guys see me rolling around like this. And actually, I mean, to be fair, your average car person is gonna think this thing has a serious aftermarket cam in it. And this thing makes a ton of power when it doesn't. But let's get to the facts. So the Ghost Cam tune you can get for free from many number of tuners. They don't recommend you daily drive with it. They say, hey, it's show use only. There's plenty of people that literally keep the Ghost Cam tune on their car at all times. Don't be that person. Do not be the person. Actually, don't even be the person that flashes this tune unless you're doing it for like a video like this, or you just want to take a quick clip. But do not be the person to pull up to your Cars and Coffee with the Ghost Cam tune rolling on your Mustang. It's just don't do it. Anyways, back to the facts. So it dumps a little bit more fuel in at idle, and it gives it the lopey sound effect, and it makes your car smell really rich. That's what I've noticed as well. I'm on E85, so it smells pretty good here, for my car, because we all know that corn smells fantastic. Yeah, it's not really something that's too good for your O2 sensors, I would imagine. You have to be catless to run this. That's what the tuners say. So when you are catless and everything, it gives you, I mean, honestly, it doesn't sound too bad, but it's not a real cam. It's something that, as you probably heard it there, it gives you a little bit of jitters. Sometimes if the RPM gets too low, and whenever you take off with the car, you have to rev it more. If you don't rev it more, you get a lot of surge coming back. I guess like you would from an actual cammed car, but I don't think an actual cammed car is going to be this severe. So at the end of the day, though, there's no reason for it. You don't want to roll around with your car being fake. It's like you're walking around with a fake Louis Vuitton handbag. All right, so here we are coming to a stop, and oh, here, let me see if I can make it happen again. So if you rev, it goes out of the cam, okay? Oh, right there, you see that? It fell right back into it, and the car almost stalled. But you saw there, it goes out of the tune and goes up, and then when it gets back to 1,000, the car kind of cuts itself down, and it starts doing the fake lope. So, my opinions on it, don't do it. Don't be that guy. I can't wait. I'm about to go pull over in this parking lot. I'm going to get the sound clip for the video, which is at the very beginning, because we're not going to do clickbait, and I'm going to reflash the other tune right back on, because this is stupid. Alright, so you can hear this thing idling. Sure, it sounds a little like a cam. Because of the way it's dumping fuel, though, you get these spots in it where it kind of like gargles, which is not like a cam to me. Which all other video you watch, it has that same gargle. I mean, you can tell that it's not a real cam if you're a real car guy. I mean, does it sound cool from 10 feet away? Yeah, sure, maybe, but I mean, it is what it is. So you're gonna have those people that do it. Don't be one of those people. If you want to hear what it sounds like, watch this YouTube video. I got a long enough sound clip for you there. You know what it sounds like. Go get some. Actually, what's funny is real cams for these motors. You get a real like a comp cam or something. They don't even lope like this. Like it's most cams for this car aren't crazy lopers until you get like super aggressive. But yeah, so that's the cam. I'm sure you got a long enough sound clip now so you can appreciate. God, that sounds terrible. It sounds like a tractor that you pulled a spark plug out of. Okay, I lied. It doesn't sound good. It does not sound good at all. Alright, there we got my flex tune. Oh goodness. There we go. Flash the tune. Yes, okay. Let's get that normal tune back on. While it's flashing, we'll go ahead and talk about the catch can. So, whenever you tune one of these cars, I would say especially if you're running E85 as well, the car's revving much higher. These motors have a issue with blow-by. It's probably not a big issue, honestly, unless you're killing the engine all the time. But especially when you get in the high RPMs, you're going to have blow-by. You need to get a catch can. Especially with these motors, if you don't, you're going to experience a lot of valve buildup, which you don't want either. So buy a catch can, they're worth it. The JLT, I got mine used. I think I paid like $80 shipped for it. I think like $115 new or something. So even a new one is not that bad. You could probably even find a used one for even cheaper. From all the videos I've watched on it, you just need to watch the catch can, change every oil change, which is what I'm going to do, but I'll probably check it every like 1,000 miles and just see what kind of buildup it's got, because it's super easy to take on and off. So definitely get a catch can for your car. If you're tuned, it's something that'll help with the longevity of your motor. It'll keep it healthier for a lot longer. And yeah, I mean, it's a no-brainer. It's so cost effective. So buy a catch can if you're tuned, especially if you're on E85, especially if you're a higher horsepower car. Most people I see run the passenger side only. I'm sure you get high horsepower, they'll run 2 sides, but a passenger side catch can will be enough. You guys saw the install. It's super easy. Do it in your driveway, put it on in less than 1 minute, and you're good to go. Today's a short video. We're not going to go too much further in depth. We got some installs coming in the next couple of days, hopefully. And a couple videos back, I said my car has a problem. My car does have a very big problem that has to be addressed. So I'm going to be hooking up with my own mechanical Stig. We're going over to his garage, and we're going to try and fix the problem. I'm not going to ruin it yet because it's really sad. And actually, it's not sad. The car's still running and driving, and I can still work around it, but we're pulling the plug. That's a hint for you. We're pulling the plug. So stay tuned for that video. It should be interesting, and I will see you guys next time. Oh, before I end it out, 1,000 subscribers, $100 giveaway. Come on, guys, that's easy. Share the channel. If you share it, you get it out there. The sooner we hit 1,000 subs, the sooner somebody gets $100. And it's easy money. PayPal it straight to you. You get it right away. That's it. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I really appreciate all the support. I hope you guys like the name change. And yeah, we'll see you soon. Oh, I forgot to mention, you probably saw it in the video, I have pulled off almost all the wrap. The trunk wrap is off, the roof wrap is off, the hood wrap is off. You already know we got the stock heat extractors back in. Actually, you know about the hood too if you watched the last video. The fender wrap is still on because I don't want it to be flat black for now. We're going to a shop next week sometime, hopefully, like next weekend maybe, and getting a quote to get the fenders painted yellow to color match the car. Fill in the rock chips, so we'll have to paint the hood, the bumper, because we want to get those holes filled, the fenders, and probably blend it into the door. So we're keeping the car yellow. It's been pretty split on what people want. I don't care what people want, it's what I want. So after seeing the wrap for quite some time and the quality of the wrap just can't beat paint. So I'm going to go back with the factory yellow color, and you don't see a lot of yellow Mustangs around. So we're going to keep it yellow for now. And that's actually it. We're in the vlog now. Later, guys.